Alright, so this is exactly how you're going to do the client onboarding on your mobile device. So this is the email that you're going to see. You want to go over and look at this email right here. This says be sure to download our mobile app. And if you have an Android, you're going to click the Play Store button. And if you have Apple, like I do, you're going to click the Apple App Store button. And your login and password is below both of those. So you click the Apple button. It's going to bring you right here. I already have it downloaded, but you're going to want to hit the top and download this app. For Android, it's going to be called Credit Tracker. For Apple, it's going to be called Credit Tracking, just like you see. Once you open it, it's going to prompt you to put your username and password in. You're going to go back to the email, and it's going to have your client portal login. You can zoom in and copy and paste that into the mobile app. And once you get your password in, you're going to click Login to Account, and it's going to prompt you straight to the agreement. You can read the agreement or scroll straight to the bottom, and you're going to click both the check boxes and then sign your name. After you get done signing your name, you're just going to click Sign Agreement, and it's going to automatically prompt you to this section right here. And just like the desktop, you're going to upload your identification or utility bill, your social security card, order your report, and then fill out the rest of your profile. So when I click Upload, I'm going to take a picture of this. But if you have this thing saved in your camera roll, you can do it with that option as well. And it's going to automatically upload the document to the photo ID, which is the one you clicked on. And for utility bill, we're going to do the same way. We're going to click Login. It's automatically going to pop up. So we're going to click Camera, take a picture of this document. It's automatically going to upload it to the utility bill. And for utility bill, you can use electric bill, phone, cable bill, bank statement, anything with your name and your current address on there works perfectly. Alright, and for the last thing that we need to upload of, your social security card. We're just going to click the upload button, click camera, take a picture of that. Again, if you have it saved, you can automatically just go to your camera roll and upload it from there. But now that we've got all of our documents uploaded, we can go to Order Credit Report. So once you click Order Credit Report, it's automatically going to prompt you to Smart Credit, which is our preferred credit monitoring. Make sure you remember your login information, because once you hit Add Logins, it's going to prompt you to complete this, and at the very bottom, it's going to ask you for your credit monitoring login details. And you're just going to go through this, fill out all of this: first name, last name, phone number, full social, date of birth, current address. And if you live somewhere and if you've moved in the last 2 years, please put your previous address. And like I was saying, there's the credit monitoring you put right there. We made a smart credit account. We would put the username and password there. And then you can click Save Changes. And to make sure that you did everything and you have everything uploaded, you'll go to Account. You'll click at the right at the 3 dots, and it'll bring up this screen. And if everything is checked off, that means your client onboarding is complete. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and we'll get right back to you to help you.